Happy wife, happy life.
I love you, baby.
Daddy's getting ready to go to work. Brayden won't sleep. Ayaw matulog. Si kuya niya tulog na tulog.
Try to get a little nap for mommy, okay? Let mommy sleep a little bit. Look at Dawson. Look at your brother. I love you, baby. He's so
Talk to him.
I am. I gotta go.
Okay.
Was that almost a smile? Is that almost a smile? You're so cute.
Bye, Daddy.
Bye,
Be
baby.
careful.
Well, be careful. Okay? I'll make some money to get you a toy. Okay?
A milk first.
Yeah, we'll get you some milk. You guys go through it so fast. Love you, baby. You're so sweet.
Hi guys, I am Brayden. Magtitimpla po kami ng gatas ni Mommy habang tulog pa si Kuya. Kasi I'm hungry. Are you hungry, baby? Tingnan mo. Kagigising niya lang. Ayan, we're gonna go have some milk now. Milk is coming, baby. So guys, nilagay ko muna si Dawson sa kanyang crib para makapagtupi ako ng damit. Wala pang 5 minutes. Napaka-demanding. Hi, baby! Hindi kasi siya inaantok eh. Ayan na guys. Mommy and Dawson will have a tummy time. He loves tummy time. Spoiled ang aking mga anak. Hindi ko lang alam kung kakayanin ng babysitter. Kasi mga iyakin. Gusto lagi ng atensyon. So, Brayden is still sleeping. So, I'm gonna have to give him a tummy time. See, tingnan mo, tahimik nung kinarga ko. Fake lang naman yung iyak niyan eh. Fake lang. Nag-iyak-iyakan lang. Wala nga luha, oh. Ha? Dawson? Ha? Iyak-iyakan lang naman yan eh. Hindi naman totoong iyak eh. Hi, baby. Hey. Hi, Dawson. Kanina lang tumatawa ka. Ngayon iiyak ka na. Ha? Ha, baby? Oh, what do you want? Tingnan nyo, guys. Ang laki-laki na, oh. Ayan, ang bagsak niya, guys, sa kanyang bouncer. Kasi iyak ng iyak. Inaantok ata to. Are you sleepy? Ha? Are you sleepy, baby? Your brother is still sleeping. Guys, I'm eating my lunch. This is a tuna pack while I'm watching Brayden. Naiinis na siya. Hi, baby B. Baby B. Ayaw na niya. Hey, baby B. Be a good boy. Mommy needs to eat first. Ang laki-laki na niya, oh. Oh, where's your music? Where's the music? Huh? Where's the music? It's right here. Ayan, sumuko na si Mommy. Kinuha ka rin kasi iyak na iyak. Picky naman yung iyak. What's your problem? Huh? What do you want? What do you want, baby? Huh? What do you want? No, you just eat. Yeah, you just eat. Oh, look at the face. Look at the face. You're so chunky. Look. So guys, pareho na silang gising. We're here in the room and we're going to take a bath. Who's gonna go first? Medyo nilayo ko si Brayden kasi laging sinusuntok si kuya niya. Who's gonna go first, babies? Sino mauuna? Sino mauuna? Sino mauuna? Si Dawson o si Brayden? Si Kuya Dawson? Okay. I'll give you a bath first. I'll give you a bath first. Ayan guys. 2 bottles for my hungry birds. Tapos na sila maligo. Ayan. They're ready for their milk. Who's gonna have milk first? Ha? Hindi sila naka-matching today because this outfit doesn't have much. Mga anak kong iyakin. Ang lalaki nyo na, oh.
You're gonna be a good boy right now, aren't you? Huh? Ah, what's that?
Bati sila ng daddy niya.
We gotta understand him.
Daddy
He
niya.
said he's gonna be a good boy with me today. Right? Huh? You're on camera. Say hi, everybody. Hi. Say, I'm Dawson. You gonna be good with daddy? Hmm?
Talk to him.
I am talking. You gonna be a good boy. Huh? I don't know what to talk to you about. What?
Guys, this always happen every time I take a shower. Don't worry, I'm not naked. Iiwanan kong tulog at kalmado ang mga bata. Nakalahati pa lang ako ng shower. Naghihiyawan na. I don't know what Calbo is doing to them.
I'm not doing nothing. Now the other one's going on.
Yeah.
He heard Braden's getting milk, so he wants some.
I need to get dressed. Guys, andito ako sa room nila. Si Brady na yung nagwawala. Kapag ganitong oras, yan, nagsisimula na siya. Andun si Calbo. Sinundo niya si Ashley. And then, katatapos ko lang silang palitan ng diaper. Kaso, habang pinapalitan ko si Dawson, ayan, sa changing table niya, biglang tumae. Kaya, hinayaan ko lang muna siya dyan and I'm going to change him again. Buti na lang hindi tumae nung habang pinapalitan ko. Naglalambing talaga si Bunso. Gusto lagi kay Mami. Ha? Naglalambing si Bunso. Hey guys, ang bango-bango dito sa bahay kasi Calbo is cooking pork right here. We're going to have a pulled pork. He's been cooking this since this morning. Ang bango. So guys, I got my face mask subscription and I got it today. It's a very low price, only $10 a month, and I really love face masks. As I mentioned before, I'm addicted to face masks, and so this is Sony Pouch. It's a Korean product. They will send you a lot of face masks. So this is what I got this month. May background ako, ayan nun, dalawa. Ayan, I'm so excited. This is what I got, guys, for $10. Face mask, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, ayan. I'm so excited to use it. Si Dawson naman, si Kuya Dawson naman ang naglalambing kay Mami. Kasi lagi na lang si Braden ang karga. Ayan. Sometimes I feel bad na hindi pantay yung attention ko sa kanila. But I try. Kasi kung sino yung madalas umiyak, yun yung kino-comfort ko. And yeah, he's a good boy today. Kuya Dawson is a big boy. So I've been off from work for almost 3 months na. Kasi maaga ako nag-off. 2 months lang talaga pag cesarean cut. Nag-leave ako ng 1 month earlier before my due date kasi nga hindi ko na kayang maglakad-lakad. Sobrang laki na ng tiyan ko. So, kung napanood nyo yung mga old vlogs namin. Ayan, I'll be going back to work the following Monday and I'm nervous and I'm having a separation anxiety. Kasi nervous ako na baka iyak lang sila ng iyak doon sa babysitter or gawin nila yung ginagawa nila sa tatay nila, yung hindi didede kapag hindi ako. Siguro naman she knows what to do since she has a lot of experience. So, iba-iba namang bata, iba-ibang attitude. So, siguro alam naman niya kung anong gagawin. But as soon as she texted me, she's gonna text me or call me and said that they won't stop crying or they won't take a bottle, I'm gonna leave work. Sabi ko kay Kalbo, wala akong pakialam kung matanggal ako sa trabaho. Basta pag nag-text siya na may problema, aalis ako. Daddy is working on the pork while Brayden is watching him.
Yeah.
Yan, may audience si Daddy. Oh.
Hey, baby. Hey, baby. I wish you could taste it. We're gonna have pulled pork tomorrow. We'll heat this up.
Oh no. Are you a good boy? Huh? Are you a good boy, baby? Brayden keep talking to mommy. Huh? You're a good boy, baby. Because Kuya is having a rough night. Huh? I think I can smell. Is it the pork or I can smell you? Yan si Brayden nakikipag-usap sa akin. Hi, baby Brayden. Hi. Are you gonna say something to mommy? Huh?